What if I told you that five-star hotels achieve those impossibly white toilets, rust-free fixtures, and gleaming tiles using one secret ingredient that costs less than $10 per bottle and removes stains you thought were permanent in minutes? What if this same ingredient can transform your bathroom from embarrassingly stained to hotel-grade pristine in one cleaning session? I discovered what hotels use after bribing a housekeeper for the truth, and when I tested it myself, the before and after was so dramatic I had to film it. Stay with me, because this secret will change your bathroom forever. The stains I'd accepted as permanent. My bathroom had stains I'd given up fighting, rust stains around the faucets, and drain that made everything look old and neglected. Hard water deposits on the shower glass that no amount of vinegar could fully remove. That stubborn brown ring in the toilet bowl that reappeared days after scrubbing. Yellow stains on white grout that made my entire bathroom look dingy. I'd tried everything, every commercial cleaner. What is oxalic acid? Oxalic acid is a naturally occurring organic compound found in many plants. In cleaning, it's used specifically for removing rust stains, hard water deposits, mineral stains, and tannin stains. How I used it, the application method. I started with the toilet bowl, mixed 2 tablespoons of oxalic acid powder with 1 cup of warm water in a plastic container. I poured this solution directly into the toilet bowl, making sure it contacted all stained areas. Let it sit for 20 minutes. I could see the brown ring starting to break down within 5 minutes. After 20 minutes, I scrubbed lightly with a toilet brush and flushed. The brown ring that had been there for over a year was completely gone. The bowl was perfectly white. I was stunned. Next, rust stains around my bathroom faucets. Made a paste with oxalic acid powder and a little water. I applied it directly to rust stains, let it sit 10 minutes, wiped with a damp cloth. The rust stains disappeared. Not lightened. Disappeared. Chrome fixtures that had looked permanently damaged now looked brand new. The jaw-dropping results. After one cleaning session using oxalic acid on various stains throughout my bathroom, the transformation was complete. Every surface that had permanent-looking stains was now pristine. The bathroom looked like a hotel bathroom. That same gleaming, impossibly clean appearance I'd envied. And I'd achieved it myself in under an hour for less than $10. Why hotels keep this secret? Hotels use oxalic acid because it delivers results that justify their reputation and room rates. But they don't advertise it because the mystique of professional cleaning justifies higher prices. If every guest knew they could achieve the same results at home for $10, it diminishes the perceived value of luxury accommodations. It's the same reason professional cleaners don't share their most effective techniques. Knowledge gives them competitive advantage. The maintenance strategy. I now use oxalic acid quarterly for deep stain removal and prevention. Between these treatments, regular cleaning with vinegar and baking soda maintains the cleanliness. But knowing I have oxalic acid for tough stains gives me confidence that no stain is permanent. Rust, hard water, mineral deposits, all removable with this one secret ingredient. Important considerations. Oxalic acid works on porcelain, tile, chrome, and glass. Don't use it on marble, granite, or natural stone, as it can etch these surfaces. Always test in an inconspicuous area first, and never leave it on surfaces longer than recommended, as extended contact can cause damage. Used properly within guidelines, it's incredibly effective and safe. There you have it. The secret hotel-grade bathroom shine using oxalic acid. Mix with water, apply to stains, wait 10 to 20 minutes, wipe clean, enjoy pristine results. If this just revealed how to finally remove permanent-looking stains, smash that like button. Subscribe to The Big Sweep and turn on notifications for more professional secrets. Share with anyone fighting bathroom stains. Comment if you're trying this. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, use professional secrets, follow safety guidelines, and enjoy a hotel-grade bathroom at home.